Good day to you, trader. My name is Maxwell Emmanuel, the founder of Trade Max Forex Academy, an academy that was established to educate and equip existing and prospective forex traders with the accurate information and tools required to trade forex profitably. I will be sharing with you my bias for the week. Okay, for the week. Okay, what should we expect? Now we'll be looking at the major pairs. Okay, now I'm just going to analyze 4 pairs. Okay, and tell you what you should expect. Okay, I expect that you should subscribe to my channel so that when I upload videos, you'll get notification. Okay, because I might not be posting my videos on this group. Okay, so I would suggest you sign up, subscribe to my channel so that you can be getting notification when I upload subsequent videos. So right now, the first pair I want us to look at now is New Zealand USD. My bias for this pair is bearish. Okay, what I'm seeing on the chart now shows me that we have bears in the market. Now I will be looking at this price to sell. Now I'm not teaching you a strategy here. I suppose, I think you already have a strategy you're trading with. Okay, so whatever my bias is, I want you to, okay, I want it to align with what you have before you would execute a buy or sell trade, or before you execute my biases. I want you to be sure that what you're seeing on your chart aligns with what I am sharing with you here. Okay, so I assume you have your own strategy you're trading with. If you don't have your strategy you're trading with, then you can enroll for training and mentorship. Okay, you can enroll for training and mentorship. So I just assume you have your own strategy that you're trading with. So all I have to do here is just tell you my biases and probably the price I'm looking at entering the market. Okay, so I'm looking at entering the market. I expect some bullish move here. Okay, so this maybe probably the pivot of this candlestick or this resistance level. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. There's likely to be a push up, okay, a bullish move to this point or to the pivot level. So a break below this level will be a good time for me to sell this pair. Okay, looking at the monthly chart, we have a bearish formation here. We have a bearish formation here. Not just the candlestick. There are things that you will need to look at for here. Okay, but from here, from my analysis, this pair is bullish on the monthly. We'll go down to weekly. You will also see that we have a bearish formation here, please. A bearish formation here. So I expect that this market would drop. Okay, that's the base currency will lose value this week. This week, the trend for New Zealand USD is bearish. Now, you need to understand currency correlation, how these pairs correlate. Okay, now New Zealand USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD, and GBP USD, these 4 pairs have positive correlation. So if you can define a trend on New Zealand USD, you know what you should expect on Euro USD. Now, looking at the weekly chart, you'll see that what you have here, okay, this formation you have here, if you go down to the weekly on Euro USD, you will see that you have almost the same candlestick formation here. That's to tell you that the market is still bearish, and you can see that they have positive correlation. You can see what you have here. This formation on Euro USD is the same formation you have on New Zealand USD. Let's see what we have on Aussie USD. You can see it's also the same formation. That's to tell you that these pairs move in the same direction. Okay, they have positive correlation. So if you can get your bias on Euro USD, then you shouldn't have issue or challenges getting your buyers on Aussie USD, GBP USD, and New Zealand USD. So New Zealand is bearish, Euro USD is bearish, Aussie USD, GBP USD. Now this pair, 80% of the time, they always move in the same direction. Now let's look at USD CHF. USD CHF and Euro USD, they have negative correlation. It means that both pairs move in opposite direction. If Euro USD is bullish, then USD CHF is bearish. Like I said, 80% of the time, these pairs, they move in opposite direction. Okay, they move in opposite direction. So you can see, I expect to take a buy from this level. Okay, there was a little pullback, a retracement, a bearish move. Okay, before the market closed last week. Okay, so I expect that the market should break this price level. Okay, I expect that the market will break this price level before I'll consider buying this pair. I wouldn't jump into buying this pair now until the market trades above this level. So my bias for USD CHF this week, I use the weekly time frame. Now it's very important that you know the time frame I'm working with, so that you can be able to know if it's something that fits your personality. Okay, so I'm working with the weekly, daily, and 4-hour time frame. I trade with multiple time frame analysis. This helps me define the long-term trend, the medium-term trend, and the lower-term trend. Okay, so from the weekly view, what I have here is a bullish formation. Now there are a lot of things that I see, okay, that make me before I make the decision. Okay, there are a lot of things I'm seeing on the chart. Okay, but those are the things you would be taught when you enroll for the training and mentorship program. Okay, so that is what you will be taught there. Okay, so this is my bias. Like I said, I'm not teaching you a strategy. You should have a strategy that you're currently trading with. If what I'm showing you is in line with what you see on your chart, then we are on the same boat. Okay, so like I said, the name of my strategy is Max Price Action Strategy. And when you enroll for the class, I'll teach you how to trade with that strategy. It's a very simple strategy. Okay, so I'll do this every week. Okay, so you just have to enroll or subscribe to my channel so that you can be having updates. I'll do this every week. At least every week I will drop in my biases, my analysis for 4 to 5 pairs. Okay, so you also can compare to what you have and see if we are on the same boat. Okay, then we'll make money together. Okay, so that is my bias for USD CHF and also CHF JPY. And I've observed that USD CHF and CHF JPY have kind of negative correlation. So they always move in opposite direction. So if USD CHF is buying, then you expect CHF JPY to drop. Okay, that's what I've observed. As you can see here, the CHF here is the counter currency, and here it's the base currency. So if this is selling, that is CHF is strong here, that means it will be strong on CHF JPY. So we expect this to be bullish, while USD CHF would be bearish. Okay, so let's look at another pair. Let's look at USD CAD using the weekly time frame. The market is actually bullish at the moment. Okay, we still have more bulls in the market at the moment. Looking at the weekly and the daily time frame, everything still looks bullish. Okay, so I'm considering entering this market when it closes above my entry point will be somewhere around this area. Okay, above this level. Okay, above this level. Okay, I'll consider buying the pair. So let me see what I have on lower time frame. Okay, so okay, so I'm considering buying the pair. I think I would have to wait for a break above this level. Yes, a break above this level before I would buy this pair. Okay, so that is that for the week 19th, starting from 19th of January till I think 24th of January. If you have any question, you can message me on Facebook. Okay, any question, if you have any pair you want me to analyze, maybe you're confused, you don't know the direction of the market, I'm available. You can send in your questions and um, I will provide answers. Please, if you're not sure of the trend of a pair, you can send me. Okay, I'm not expecting you to come and ask me how my strategies work. No, just ask me, okay, what is my bias for a certain pair? Okay, and I will tell you what my view is on that pair. So I'm going to end this video at this point. Okay, and I wish you a wonderful trading week. Okay, ensure you have a plan and the discipline to execute your plan, and most importantly, always ensure that you apply proper risk and money management. If you want to stay in this business 10-20 years from now, you must understand proper risk and money management. You must understand the role, the vital role it plays in your success, in you achieving success, in you becoming a profitable forex trader. You need to understand it and you need to apply it in your trading. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I remain yours faithfully, Maxwell Emmanuel, committed to your trading success. Thank you.